Today is January 28th, and I just turned the radio on. The kids are going crazy. They sit up at dance floor, they've got their babies.
Mommy!
I see you dancing. Reagan's sick again with a horrible cold and some sort of stomach issue, but you can't tell. Oh, what a good song. Reagan, stop using that to wipe your nose, please. Go get a Kleenex. Reagan, are you done dancing? Hey, hey! I knew I wish that I was Jesse's girl. I shouldn't sing. I'm being recorded. Go, Addie. Addie's still in her pajamas. No shower yet.
Reagan's not getting out of bed. He's trying again.
Are you cooking? You stopped dancing to cook? There she goes. She runs so funny.
Jesse's girl. I'm a virgin.
Alright, I'm gonna shut it off. You girls keep dancing.
Okay.
Love you. Reagan, say bye to the camera.
Bye.